The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plymouth Meeting, or 11 miles northwest of Philadelphia, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Norristown, West Norton, East Norton, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Ambler, Jenkintown, Rockledge, Abington, Langmore, Bremerton, Feasterville Turbos, Willow Grove, Northeast Philadelphia, Feasterville, Andalusia, Holmesburg, and Plymouth Meeting. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 326 and 353. Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 26. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 31 and 35. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 329, in between mile markers 333 and 334. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.